Hey guys, it's Kimara Lang. I'm back with another hair tutorial for you guys today. Switch up the hair products. We're going to use the Cantu Leave-In Talia Wajid oil and the Eco Styler gel with olive oil. So I'll be right back, guys. Yeah, boom, yeah. This is perfect hair for that. Woo! Boom, 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 boom.
My boobies, girl. Look at my boobies.
Alright guys, hey, and I'm back, and as you can see, I just freshly co-washed my hair in the shower and I combed it out, so we're ready to go, guys. I actually did co-wash my hair with the Aussie conditioner. So, as I said, I already did comb my hair out and we are ready to go. I usually do go from back to front, but I'm going to show you guys today, so I'm going to leave this part out here. And just section this part right off. So what we're going to be using today is the Talia Wajid, mecca of all hair oils. I really do love it. You're going to hear me say that a million times because it's true. I love it. The Cantu Leave-In. Woo! Gotcha. Cantu Leave-In. And the Eco Styler gel, which, as you can see, I have used. But I also use the Eco Styler gel with argan oil. I'm a fan of both, so when one runs out, I switch to the other. To be honest, I don't really notice a difference. They're both 10 hold. Ow. They're both 10 hold, alcohol free, and they both work on my hair and they're really good. So, first thing I always do is oil my hair, raking the product through, just like that. And like I said, I've already combed through my hair, so that part's already done. Just run the oil through like that. And then I just take some of my Cantu. And like I always say, I have thick hair. I don't do dime amounts. I don't do quarter amounts. I do enough for my hair. See here? Always making sure to focus on my ends. Smells so good too. Then I'm going to take some of my Eco Styler, which I cannot open now because my hands are all oily. Yes. Now with the Eco Styler gel, I kind of treat it just like the Cantu. I use enough for my hair. And what I love about Eco Styler gel is that it doesn't flake like other gels, and it doesn't make your hair stiff or gunky or anything like that. It really is this perfect hair product that helps your curls hold definition, and it keeps it weightless, and it actually, I don't know, it keeps a bounce to it, and it looks really nice, and it also gives your curls a lot of definition. So I'm going to use about this amount here. You can see that. Like I said, I don't do quarter or dime. I do enough for my hair. And I rake it through the same way I do the Talia Wajid, the same way I do the Cantu. I put just enough in, making sure that I focus on the ends. And what this does is it really just helps to give your curls definition. And if you were to go back and blow dry your hair, it would help the curl pattern to stay. But if you guys watch my previous videos, you know I really do like the loose and wavy curls, and I kind of do like it to just, I like to be gone with the wind, fabulous. So I don't use Eco Styler gel all the time because I do like the chaos, I guess. The Beyonce effect. We'll call it the Beyonce effect. That's what I really like. But as you can see, it just helps to give some definitions to the curls. And you will see, like, you know, little white specks or whatever, but those do disappear. So there's no need to stress over it like, oh, she lied. She lied. No, I didn't. It'll go away. It's just there for right now. Alright? And we'll do another section for you guys in the front. So what I'm not going to do today is I typically always blow dry my hair when I do wash and goes. Like if I wash my hair at night, I'll just pull it into a ponytail and then I'll blow dry it in the morning because I like volume. But today's like a really chill Tuesday. Nothing's going on. So I'm not going to blow dry my hair. I'm just going to leave it out and let the wash and go stay so you guys will just see what it looks like naturally. Always making sure that I'm raking the product through. Putting enough in my hair and for my section because my hair is thick. Always focusing on the bottoms. So I will break it here so we can see a little difference. And then taking some of my Eco Styler gel. And raking it through. Making sure that I'm actually focusing on my roots here too as I'm raking it through. Because for example, if I did want to blow dry my hair, I would always pull from my roots, but I would still want my roots to have like some curl definition. All right. And it's like lightweight, lots of curl definition, lots of bounce as you can see. All right. All right, now we're gonna show you guys the back real quick. It's the same as the front. You take the Talia Wajid, and there's no fancy sections. I just pull and go. I make sure that I rake the product through the end of my hair. Always focus on your ends and your roots. You want to make sure that your product is evenly distributed. So you get in there, you get in there. And once you feel that the product has been evenly distributed, you just go to the next product, which is going to be the Cantu leave-in, which you can get at Walmart, your local beauty supply store, or Target. Like I said, I do enough for my hair. I rake the product through, making sure that it feels evenly distributed. Make sure you focus on the ends. So these are what the curls look like before the Eco Styler. There's definition to it. There's moisture to it. It looks really beautiful, but we're gonna go ahead and get some more definition into it by adding the Eco Styler gel. Alright. One more roll it. Just raking the product through, making sure you're focusing on the ends here. Alright guys, and I'm going to go ahead and finish this up and let you see the finished product. Okay. Alright, I'm coming up here, finishing the last part. Again, I did go front to back to mid. Just wanted to make sure that you guys got to see me doing the front. But this is the very last part of the middle. And the middle part of my hair is like the trouble section. It gets really frizzy like right here. So I always make sure that I put extra product there, no matter what it is. Oil, leave-in, conditioner, or in this case, Eco Styler, just because that's where it gets the most frizzy. So, alright. And literally, guys, this has taken me all of 10 minutes. Okay. And I don't know if you guys will be able to hear the music after I'm done editing, but this is SIK-K. It's one of my favorite Korean rappers. So get hip, y'all. Alright, so here is a look at my wash and go using the Eco Styler. And yeah, you can still see some of the product. If it bothers you, just go through like that. You can get it out with your hand. And I'm not gentle with my curls too, so I want everybody to notice that. I think a lot of people are so afraid to touch their hair. I'm not. So I rake my hand through. I get in there. If I see product and I'm like, okay, maybe I did glob it on too much, I get in there and I get it out. I'm not afraid to just get in there, touch it. So typically, this is where I would diffuse my hair, give it more volume, dry it, make it bigger, stretch my curls, you know, give it, you know, make them bigger and stuff like that. But I'm not going to do that today. Like I said, it's pretty much a chill day at home. I think I'm going to go out to dinner later, but that's about it. So I'm just going to keep this. And actually, my hair has grown a lot. So it's kind of to the point where I don't really need to always blow dry my hair. I just do it because I'm extra and I like the Beyonce effect. So, alright, tour time, guys. Ready? So. Hey guys, and I'm back, and about 10-15 minutes have gone by, and I just wanted you guys to see the finished product here. So this is what my hair looks like using the Eco Styler gel. It's actually very similar to if I don't use it and just a regular wash and go for me. But I can say this. When I use the Eco Styler gel, I don't typically need to diffuse my hair or blow dry it because the Eco Styler gel does help with length and keeping length without me having to stretch my curls. With that being said, I personally would still go back and do it anyway because I like, of course, to be extra and I like the Beyonce effect and I love to have big curls. The Eco Styler gel does help also with curl definition. So you have short hair or actually any length of hair, the Eco Styler gel does help to give more definition on top of the Cantu leave-in and on top of the Talia or Wajid or whatever oil you like to use. So, but I'm a big fan of keeping my hair moisturized and hydrated. So that is why I love the Eco Styler gel with olive oil or the Eco Styler gel with argan oil because it just helps me keep my curls hydrated and moisturized, and that is what I'm a big fan of. I am not though going to blow dry my hair again today because it is a chill day and I'm probably just gonna lounge around here. So this is nice and simple and I can just pull my hair back when I go to sleep, put it in a ponytail. When I let it out tomorrow, actually maybe I'll blow dry it or something then and I'll be ready to go. So this is kind of like a night routine, day routine. But so guys, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, please let me know. Subscribe to my channel, like and comment below what videos you'd be interested in seeing, and of course subscribe to my Instagram, not my gumdrop buttons, not my buttons, not my gumdrop buttons. It's the cutest name in the world. And also follow me on Snapchat, MissMoon04. It's been a pleasure to have you guys watching. Once again, if you want to see any other hair tutorial videos, please let me know. I'm Kimara Lang, and I'll see ya.